If you've got DVDs or Blu-rays sitting on a shelf and you want to turn them into digital files, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it using MakeMKV. No command line, no complicated setup, just install it and rip. Let's get started. Firstly, open your browser and go to MakeMKV.com and click Download MakeMKV for Windows. Once downloaded, click the installer to open it. Now just follow all the steps to install MakeMKV. Once you've installed it, click Run MakeMKV and click Finish. Now before we insert a disk in our disk drive, let's go through a few important settings. Go to View, Preferences, select the location where you want the output file to go. So for this, I'm just going to click our desktop and select our desktop. The minimum title length, that shows the minimum file length that it will show up. So if anything is less than 2 minutes, it won't appear. Generally speaking, I like bringing that up to 15 minutes because some of the special features I don't really require, but you can leave it as is or adjust it according to what you want. When it comes to language, for preferred language, you can leave this as none if you want to see all the subtitles, everything. Alternatively, if you're like me, you'll just go down to English, and that's all you need to change. Those are the two main things you will need to change, which is the directory where you're going to save the output and the preferred language. Once you're done, click Apply and OK. All you have to do now is open your disk drive and insert the disk. Once you see the above, it'll say DVD or Blu-ray if you inserted the Blu-ray. Then you can just click this button right here to read the disc. Once it loads up, you'll see the above. We'll have the output folder as our desktop because that's what we selected before. And if you click the arrow next to title, this will show you the subtitles and audio files of the video. Now, for this video, Volcano, we only have one audio file and multiple subtitles. Because we selected English as our main one, it's only going to select English, but if you want another subtitle or another audio track, you can just select it here. You may have multiple videos appear other than just one title. If you do, just select the one that most resembles the movie you are putting. So if it goes for 2 hours, click the one that says 2 hours. Don't go for one that goes for 2 hours and 10-15 minutes, as that may be the video that includes the commentary, or anything less, which may be the special features. So once you're ready, all you have to do is click MakeMKV. While it's currently ripping, let me just go through a few details on MakeMKV. If you go to Help and About, you'll see this version expires in 94 days. This is the beta version of MakeMKV. If you want the trial not to expire, you can purchase it and get a new code. But while it's in beta, you can get the free beta key through the forums. To do this, just Google MakeMKV registration key, click the first link, and you'll see the key here. Now this key is valid up until the end of March 2026. Every month or so, they'll add a new key that you can use. Alternatively, to support them, as mentioned, just purchase it and you'll get a one-time key that you can use. Just a note, this video is for educational purposes only. Only backup media you legally own and comply with the laws in your country. I do not promote piracy or copyright infringement. Now once a pop-up states that it's complete, you're ready to go. Just click OK and you can view your file over here. Tragic for the families. At the end, you'll end up with an MKV file. This is full quality, lossless digital copy of your disc. Perfect for media service, archiving, playback on Jellyfin or Plex. That's it. MakeMKV installed, simple and fast. If this helped, Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's anything you'd like to see next, please leave a comment below. This is Systems from Scratch. I'll see you in the next one.